How to see another country's trending videos on YouTube. Hello guys, in this video we show you how to see another country's trending videos on YouTube. First go to YouTube and then click explore trending, and that's United States trending videos. If you want to change it, all you need to do is to click on your profile and then click settings, general, and you need to find this one, location. Now you can change it to anything you want, like Morocco. Now let's see, explore trending. As you see, trending videos has been changed to Morocco, and that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.